Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2020 Hyundai Accent. We're going to be replacing the headlight bulb here on the passenger side. This will be the same, if not very similar, for both sides, other than the driver's side is way more cramped. You can see on the back side of the headlight assemblies you have little covers you could twist off to get access to the headlight bulb itself. The driver's side is going to be a little bit more cramped, but this video should help you get both sides done. We're going to be doing the passenger side. I'm using a metal bar to get a little bit more leverage to be able to turn your rear cover. If it's really hard, be careful, don't break the tabs or ears on your cover. Remove it, set it off to the side, don't lose it, don't break it, you're going to need it later. To remove the light bulb, first you're going to remove the connection, the electrical connection right here on the back side, and tuck that somewhere off to the side so it's not in your way. We are going to be removing a 9003 light bulb. If it was a 9005, you would have a projector light system. So if this light bulb isn't the same, that's why. You're going to push in on this tab, push towards the light bulb on this tab, and then press up or down on that wire spring or the retainer to remove the light bulb. This is the light bulb itself. Like I said, the 9003 model. If you need a light bulb, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase them. And you can upgrade to like projector or LED as well. When you install your light, the bulb itself, make sure your prongs are lined up so it fits flush inside your headlight assembly. If it's crooked, you're going to get a headlight beam that's a little bit astray. It's not perfectly straight, and it'll be a little bit more difficult to get this job done. When it's seated properly, you're going to use the retainer spring to hold it in place. Again, push it towards the light bulb and then press up or down to lock the spring wire in place so the light stays in one spot. If you need a light bulb, like I said, or the LED upgrade conversion, make sure you look for a link in the description to purchase any of those. Now that you got the light bulb properly seated and locked in with that retaining spring, go ahead and connect your plug or electrical connection back on there. If you have any dielectric grease, you could use some at this time. Make sure to put your rear cap or cover back on. If it's difficult to get this on, you could use some WD-40, some lube, or some spit, and it'll make it twist a little bit easier. Locks in a clockwise motion. Hopefully this video helped you out. If not, maybe one of these two videos right here. Make sure you comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that this helped you on, and check out the links in the description to purchase parts and tools in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.